up, man? It's your boy Tazbegrinding. You know what I'm saying? If you're not part of TBG squad already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. So, if you guys are interested in like custom designs and wraps, which I bet you are because you're watching car channel, but so we about to go check out. I recently had put my friend's his 2008 Grand Prix GSP on the channel. We are going to go see it because now he is finished. He's kind of almost done with the appearance wise of his build. So all he got so far is a 3-inch exhaust, some Doug Thorley headers. I said headies. A 3-inch full cat back, and yeah, and he got his the headers. I said that already. He's tuned too, so. But right now he's getting bodywork done, so we about to go get a sneak peek at his wrap and his bodywork, cause he put his body camera. So this is for you guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm not just posting all Camaro content or nothing like that. We posting everything. So yeah, I'm about to hop in his car and I'll get back to y'all once we get to the place. Yeah. Alright. See, the brake calipers don't look that bad. They don't look that bad.
I like the front ones because like it's like a but it's got the GXP, man.
It's cool. It's just dirty.
It's dirty.
I think what's making it look so bad is that it's dirty. Yeah. I think
it's like, man, I got my gold, dog. Like the shit like in the sunlight. You know what I'm saying?
It's cool though. It's cool though.
It's cool though, right? Like
it's like
not bad.
No, it's not.
It's
bad.
gloss black. Like it's gloss black.
See,
now.
My thing was I was thinking it was gonna be matte.
No, I didn't want to go matte. Because matte to me is too hard. But it's like you get the sheen. You get that like sheen.
It's cool though, man.
Are you sure? I got a flat.
You do.
I got a flat tire. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's clean though, man. I like that. Hold on.
I mean, like.
Hey, at first I wasn't completely like 100% to go. You already know how I was feeling at first. You already know how I was feeling.
That's what I'm saying.
Let me know. This gonna stay black?
Yeah.
Stay black?
No, well, because right now they did a gloss black.
All right.
Remember, it was like $1 black.
Okay. Oh, they painted those. It's clean though. It's clean. It's clean.
Is it?
At first I thought it was about to be shiny gold. I wasn't rocking with the shiny gold.
No.
This is cool. He said this is satin gold.
Yeah, it's satin gold.
Okay. Satin gold.
See, but it's like I want to go on that. Am I wrong for wanting that? Like
no, man.
Like that would be cool,
right?
With the that would be cool. There. Like I've been telling you, maybe gold on the
probably not that.
Those
make that gold, bro. Make it
the same symbol as the one.
Yeah,
in front, right?
I don't know about making the whole steering wheel gold.
No, I mean
you can't go crazy with that, bro.
It's not the whole steering wheel, man. It's just the chrome part.
No.
Just that chrome part. Just that chrome part. Just that chrome part.
What y'all think, gold or no? Gold or no, man? I just say make the emblem gold. Oh yeah, you gotta have to clean up when you get back in here.
I do, definitely.
The wing, I didn't know you even had this wing right here though.
I told you I had the wing, man. It's a whole little package. It's not bad though. It's not a bad wing.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
I kind of like the little symbol too. I like the symbol. Hold on. Right, did they paint this or something?
Yeah, I think they might have wrapped
It's a little chip right there, man.
Right there.
The imperfections, you know, you gotta.
Oh, it's in half. I mean,
hold on. Okay, at first, hold on. They gotta sand this up and stuff, right?
Yeah, they're still gonna finish up the, because that's what they said, they have to finish.
All that say that's gonna say this diffuser is, if you do 5-inch exhaust or 4-inch exhaust or something.
Well, because like I said, I had to see how much room they were gonna use, because these fins, originally, there's supposed to be another fin, like right here and right here. And that's what I kind of wanted. So, that's what I wanted to keep. So but then this space can hold dual 4-inch tips. It can't hold bigger. So I might be able to still throw those 4-inch tips.
Please do the dual 4-inch tips will save this build if you make them stick out to right here. If you make the dual 4-inch tips stick out to like right here, that would save your whole build.
Because it would make the diffuser look better. I mean,
yes, because
I just think it's corny with 3. Am I wrong?
It looks stupid right now because you have no muffler tips. It looks really stupid.
Yes, I
give you that.
But it's because I had to keep the tips off before, you know, for them to work on the fucking bumper and shit.
All right, man. We're glad to get some comment help. You know what I'm saying?
No, man.
It looks stupid right now just because he doesn't have muffler tips. Okay. Other than that, the 4-inch, I'm telling you, 4-inch on both sides. will make this look way better.
I think it's my rims, man. You've seen my rims before. Gloss black, like it would set it off, man.
So,
like,
okay.
Like,
you'll do it. So, okay.
But like,
it's a little dirty right now.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
So it's a little dirty.
It's a little dirty, right? Dirty.
So, all right, man. That's it for the video today. We're just checking out his car before he gets all the way done. It's a work in progress. Sorry if it looks a little dirty, but yeah, that's what you get when you're in the middle of a build. So I'm out.